Hi, it's Barrett Hoskins with Benjamin Marcus Homes. Today I want to review with you some of the components of your HVAC system. Currently we're using all high-efficient furnaces in our homes. One thing about these high-efficient furnaces is they don't use any air from the inside of your house. There's an intake tube and an exhaust tube that bring fresh air in from the outside and then exhaust the combustion out the other side. This furnace here is also equipped with a humidifier. If you elect to do the humidifier in your home, there's a few things that you need to know about it. First off, this is the control for the level of humidity in your house. It is working on a 5% intervals. You only want to change your humidity in your house 5% at a time and then wait for a 24-hour cycle for that to take effect. If you're turning it up too quickly or too slowly, then the effects that you're trying to gain will be overdone or not enough. Another component of your humidifier is making sure that it's set for the right season. Currently, this is set in the summer position. If it's in the summer position, this dial will either be up or down. In the winter time, you need to move it to this position to show the humidifier that you need the maximum amount of humidity being put in your home because your furnace is running more continually in the winter time, drawing out your home. As I mentioned downstairs, two main components to your HVAC system are the intake and exhaust. This is the intake here, and this is the exhaust. One important thing to know is that the combustion of natural gas naturally creates moisture. This moisture is being exhausted through the pipe here. One thing to know is that during cold weather, that moisture that's being exhausted can sometimes create ice. If the wind's blowing from a certain angle or if the weather is really cold, that ice can build up and end up blocking your system, causing the furnace to shut down. In the wintertime, you want to keep an eye on this and eventually just take off the elbow, spray it with cooking spray, knock the ice off of it, and put it back on. This will prevent ice from building up and making sure your furnace doesn't shut off. Right now we're looking at the main water service for your house. This main water service has a lot of different components depending on if you have a sprinkler system or do not have a sprinkler system. However, the main thing that I want to focus on right now is the shut-off switch for the main water supply to your home. When you're going out of town, it's always a great idea to shut off your water when you leave. So right now this is in the on position and the ball valve is parallel with the copper plumbing. When you turn it to be perpendicular, that shuts off the flow of water and no more water will enter your house. The next thing that you want to do is go to your lowest faucet in the whole house and open that up. You also want to go to the highest faucet in the house and open it up. That'll allow all the water to drain out of your pipes, ensuring that nothing bad happens while you're out of town.